Greetings. I'm Lowland, and I'm in British Columbia, Canada.
Namaste. My name is Vivek. I am in Reading, England, United Kingdom.
Hello, I'm Dave. I am in Rock Falls, Illinois, United States. As you can see, we are in three corners of the world.
Let's begin with why we are doing this. I want to simplify the process a person has to go through to achieve excellence in their third age or retirement.
And I want to provide some tools to help our clients create something of value online.
I want the experience of working with others on a fun project.
There are many types of websites and many reasons you might want to have one. We will help you decide on the best approach. You can see this in the course objectives that we have listed below.
This course is for people who want to create and manage their own websites.
We have designed this interactive course so our students can receive support as they progress through it.
When you have finished the course, you will have a simple process to follow in case you want to create multiple websites.
And we hope you have as much fun following this course as we have had creating it.
Be sure to share the link of this course with your friends and colleagues. And above all, be sure to click the PayPal button.